I'm just taking time to make the proper use of my influence. Couple 100,000 cash, a few haters, lawyer fees for new cases, and a box of blunts later I give you.
Yeah, I just met this attorney the other day.
That's fine. So
He said he just met bro the
I
other
came and
day.
took my cell phones yesterday, and they came and took all my property out my cell today.
Mr. Williams, I'm the judge in the matter. Shut your mouth, and I'll tell you when you can talk. You got it?
Bro.
It's the same rules we played by while we were here in trial, every time we were here for a pretrial. So just follow the same rules.
He look like he fed up. He look like he fed up. He either fed up with him or Hanky ain't getting no loving at home. He ain't getting no loving at home. Something done tick this man off. He either upset because bro in there wilding out and he done seen him do this 1,000 times before because he done had cases for him. He either tired of him or it's some other shit that's going on that he don't
Fair enough.
want to talk about.
At this point, I'm going to hear from your lawyers, and that means zip it.
But you're not letting me tell
That
you
means
what's going on.
zip it right now.
You trying to?
Does that make sense?
No, it doesn't.
But then his defense though, like I get what bro said. Like if he really telling the truth, like yo, like I just met him yesterday, like yo, I ain't cool with it. I mean, I think you feel me, like he do have the right to speak up on that. Like man, listen, if this man gonna be protesting and trying to save my life or trying to save years, whatever he trying to do, like you got a right to be like yo, like this was going on, like this what happened, this what didn't happen, yada 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 yada. So, like, in his defense, and it ain't no telling, this man might be on his third strike. So, like, I don't know. But at the same point in time, it's like he still got to comply with, like, you still got to comply with the court. But I get where he coming from. Like, man, this his freedom on the line, not his. The lawyer, what is it, public defender, whatever you want to call it, he gonna go home to his family after. So after it's over, he gonna clock off. He gonna get off at like 5:30, 6 o'clock, maybe a little bit later if he gotta do some paperwork. He gonna run the subway. He gonna get the subway melt. He gonna get the chips, boom, boom, go home. Like he going home to his regular life, bro. Not going back. So this is more important to him than it is to him. You get what I'm saying?
No. Does the comment quit talking? Do you understand that?
Because you trying to take my life. Judge,
No.
And you not letting me tell you what's going on.
Take your life for what? What do you mean
It's not fair. You trying to take my life.
What does that mean?
And on the document.
Again, I'm going to interrupt. Mr. Williams, listen to me. If we have to, I will
might be
gag you
spitting
in
knowledge.
1 second. So listen,
might
you
really
will
be
get a
spitting
chance
knowledge.
to talk. I'm going to gag you in 1 second. So just listen to me. Zip it until I give you a chance to talk. You'll get a chance to talk. I am going to give you a chance to talk. Here it is again. So you said to me you understand this comment. Zip it. Right now.
And why don't you let it play about me getting shackled on the bus for a whole week? Let that play.
Mr. Williams will...
Mr. Williams, be very simple to gag you.
Bro irritated.
You'll get a chance to speak. So tell me.
He irritated. Either that public defender, that lawyer ain't doing what he's supposed to do, or bro just, that's the only thing I can think of. Either he not doing what he's supposed to do, if he the defendant feel like he got more evidence or statement or whatever he think he got, he feel like he got something that could potentially help him out, and bro not doing his best. Because like I said, if you get a lawyer, cool, they might not be. You get what I'm saying? At the end of the day, we are people. Your lawyer can wake up that morning and be like, man, fuck, like I've been doing this for 60 years. I'm tired of this shit. You get what I'm saying? At the same point in time, you can get a public defender that's like, man, this nigga not even paying me. Why the fuck should I? That's how that court shit go. That's how that law shit go, man.
Okay, so
I haven't been around.
Let's go back.
All at the same time where you fighting for your
Anything
freedom.
you want to add to your insanity? And the jury came back with a verdict.
That's a violation of the HIPPO law, Judge.
Here we go.
IMPO law? What's the IMPO law?
I'm gonna take.
Hey, Google, what is the IMPO law?
According to Wikipedia, the impala is a medium-sized antelope found in eastern and southern Africa. The only extant member of the genus
Hey, Google.
in tribe Apis
Stop.
It was
How's she talking about?
and then I'll unzip it when I want you to talk, because the young lady over here can't take down everything.
Look
You
at
know
bro
how
in the
it's
corner.
going.
Look
You've been
at
in the
bro right
courtroom.
there. Yeah, he just said he been in the courtroom hundreds of times. The judge probably tired of him, and he probably tired of the judge. They got some type of back and forth going on, and probably ain't feeling each other. But look at bro on the side that's like this. He trying his best not to laugh. He trying his hardest. He trying his damnedest not to laugh. Because they probably didn't seen this before. How many? He probably done been in front of this judge countless times. Countless times. And they probably do the same thing back and forth. Like, they just don't see eye to eye.
Well, at least 50 times as we prepared for trial. I'll give him a chance to speak it since.
Take me out.
No, I'd like you to speak.
Mr. Williams, I want to make it real clear. If you spit on, attempt to bite, or injure any of my deputies,
None of that, man.
you're going to have a bad day.
None of that.
Oh, you
Put
clear?
the tape on me, man. We done with this shit.
They taped his mouth? Hell no.
That's what it is.
We'll go back on the record. Mr. Williams will have a chance to speak.
And
They
I'm
taped
monitoring
his
everything
mouth.
I say.
Go ahead.
How can I speak?
Yeah, man. Like I said, I feel like they had their law. Well, I know. He said that he been in there over 50 times. They done had that back and forth a couple times. He not really too fond of the judge. The judge really not too fond of him. So at this point in time, all they pretty much doing is just wasting their time, because bro not going to want to hear what he got to say, and the judge not going to hear what he got to say. So at the end of the day, I'm like, man, all of that shit really just a waste of time, which is crazy. It's not a waste of time. It's fucked up. It's fucked up, to be honest with you, because at the end of the day, I don't know the crime. Like, I don't know what he did, but at the end of the day, he's still in there fighting for his freedom. Like, his freedom on the line. However long he gonna be locked away for, his freedom is on the line. So I get what he trying to say. He trying to do everything possible to show him, like, bro, I didn't do this, or maybe I did do that, but I'm not really like, you get what I'm saying? Which is not saying that he right or wrong. He might go out there and do the same shit again. I don't know. But at the end of the day, he do got a right to fight for his freedom. And if he was telling the truth about just meeting that lawyer that day or yesterday, that's fucked up. If you only got 24 hours and you're a public defender, so I know he got more than one. That's not his only case. You only got 24 hours to review this case. Like I said, he might get off at 7, go get a Subway sandwich, go home, do what he do, take a shower, watch the kids, put the wife to bed, all that other stuff. Now it's 10, 11 o'clock. He like, oh, damn, I got this case tomorrow. I'm going to look over the case. Court at 8. I'm going to look over it for an hour and see what I can find and just use it. Like, nah, bro. Like, if it's my freedom, I need you to have ample time. I need you to have an eternity to look over everything, bro. I need you to look up the laws. I need you to look up the statutes. I need you to look up no double. I need all of that, because at the end of the day, it's my freedom, bro. It's my freedom. Now, unfortunately for him, he didn't have a lawyer. But like I said, at the end of the day, a lawyer is just another person. We are people at the end of the day. Your lawyer, like I said, he can wake up one day and be like, yo, I don't even think this shit really for me no more. Or his, you get what I'm saying? He might be going through some life stuff. Let's just say, for example, you out and about or whatever, boom, 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 you out walking your dog or whatever. A dude come up to you. You Mexican and the dude is African. Excuse me. Let's just say the African dude bump into the Mexican dude. They get into a back and forth. They not fighting, whatever. But by his accent, the Mexican know that he African. So now he like, man, fucking African. Like, I can't stand them off. You get what I'm saying? And as a public defender, let's just say you get it, the shoes, it could be reversed. Let's just say he don't have a certain liking for a certain race, or he don't have a certain liking for a certain stereotype, or whatever the case may be. We are people at the end of the day. It could have, man, that's fucked up, because that's your freedom, bro. That's your freedom. I think the tape on the mouth was a little bit too much, but